horses. Very, very busy. Loads of awesome metal around here. Not going to say much. Just going to let the camera do the talking. Sorry if the camera's flying around a bit, but hey, you get the gist. Just going to go down here. It's lovely. Crossover. It's nice. Well, let's go down here. It's a bit hectic and a bit mad. Oh, 32 frying. Hello guys. Hello guys. 32's got a bit warm. I'm trying to find around here, but I can't see it now. Can you see it? Anyway, let's go back over here. As you can see, it is so busy. Pity anyone who's coming here for a pee break and a burger. I gather the M25 is very, very busy. Come down here. We're just over there. Come back down here. Come back around. Really, really quickly. Sorry guys. Now, there's a lovely MR2 here I want to show you. Through here. That's where it's all happening apparently. Someone's been revving. Oh yeah, What the rest, Lika? Pop bang, pop bang. Well, I'm going to leave it there in a minute. It's going to come in here because it's a nice Supra. Some people love them, some people hate them. There we go. I'll leave it on this purple 350. Okay, you get a gist guys. See ya.